In today's video, I will walk you through how to view the order book on Gate. If you're planning to trade cryptocurrency on Gate, understanding the order book can give you valuable insight into market activity. The order book shows the current buy and sell orders for a trading pair, helping you see where traders are willing to buy or sell at different prices. Let's get started. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the Markets section or tap the Trade menu. Next, use the search bar to find the cryptocurrency trading pair you want to view. For example, you can search for BTC, USDT, ETH, USDT, or any other supported trading pair. Tap or click on the trading pair to open its trading page. Once the page loads, you'll see several sections, including the price chart, recent trades, and the order book. The order book is divided into two sides. The buy orders, often called bids, show the prices that buyers are willing to pay for the asset. The sell orders, also known as asks, show the prices at which sellers are willing to sell. Each order typically displays the price, the amount of cryptocurrency being bought or sold, and the total value of the order. The highest bid and the lowest ask are especially important because they represent the closest prices where buyers and sellers are willing to make a trade. The difference between these two prices is called the spread, which can give you an idea of the market's liquidity. As new orders are placed and existing orders are filled or canceled, the order book updates in real time. Watching these changes can help you better understand market sentiment and identify areas where there may be strong buying or selling pressure. And that's how you view the order book on Gate.